COVID-19 virus is attempting to teach us a lesson. Apparently, our major media in America, which shapes so much opinion, is not listening.
I will read a short excerpt from an article that brings home the root causes of viral pandemics. It is titled, "How Humans Created a Pandemic Highway." The coronavirus shows that what we're doing to animals is killing us too, by Viveca Morris, who is Associate Research Scholar in Law and Executive Director, Law, Ethics, and Animal Program at Yale Law University. About 2/3 of emerging infectious diseases in humans include MERS, Ebola, HIV, Zika, H1N1, cholera, and almost all recent epidemics came from animals, and 70% of those originated in wildlife. Pathogens have leaped from animals to humans for eons, but the pace of this spillover has increased rapidly over the last century. As 7.8 billion people on this planet radically alter ecosystems and raise, capture, and trade animals at an unprecedented scale, the road from animal microbes has turned into a highway, as the journalist Sonia Shah has written. The growing body of scientific research is clear. Diseases like COVID-19 are an expected consequence of how we're choosing to treat animals and their habitats. By changing the nature and frequency of the human-animal interactions, our actions, through the wildlife trade, deforestation, land conversion, the burning of fossil fuels, and more, propel the emergence and transmission of novel and known human infectious diseases. Scientists suspect that COVID-19, like SARS, is caused by a coronavirus that jumped from bats to humans, perhaps via another type of animal, at a live animal market in Wuhan, China. In these markets, an ark's worth of animals that are rarely encountered with one another in the wild are crammed together in stacked cages as they await sale and slaughter. If you have a bird pooping on a turtle that poops on a civet, Dr. Christian Walzer of the Wildlife Conservation Society told the New York Times, "Forgetting new even if you tried." China is not alone in creating ideal conditions for diseases to spill over species barriers. Every year, Americans pay to capture, box up, and import animals for agriculture, the pet and aquarium industries, and other uses. Inevitably, some of these traded animals carry hitchhiking pathogens or disturb their new environments in ways that amplify disease risk. The article goes on to give specific examples.
On a strongly related subject, in addition to the increasing pandemic threats caused by animal agriculture, the World Watch Institute has methodically shown that over 51% of the greatest threat to humans, man-made climate change, is caused by animal agriculture. Next are illustrations of global greenhouse emissions, including items in the World Watch's calculation, many left out of the UN's and the EPA's calculations. Given these two greatest of threats, pandemics and climate change, giving up meat and dairy for at least a few days a week is not too much to ask.
Author Arundhati Roy says, quote, "The pandemic is a portal. It offers us a chance to rethink the doomsday machine we have built for ourselves. Nothing could be worse than a return to normality. We can walk through lightly with little luggage, ready to imagine another world, and ready to fight for it."